everyone, I'm Christy-Lyn from Learning the Harp, and today we're going to be talking about a very specific practice strategy to work on rhythm. So I'm here with Teresa Shepherd and Renee Rutledge.
Hi.
Teresa is Renee's teacher and they discovered a wonderful strategy that really helped Renee work on rhythm when she was struggling with it. So I hope it helps you too. So tell us what happened and what you ended up with.
So Renee was telling me that she was really struggling kind of getting in the loop with the rhythm. And so I decided, okay, we'll break it into chunks. That's always the answer. As it turned out, it really became a solution because we would do, starting at the end, actually Renee wrote out for the week, one day, 5 minutes, just play one small chunk 5 times.
So she'd write it in this practice log and be able to tick it off that she's done that 5 minutes with that small chunk.
Right, and then always with the metronome. So we were working on Be Down My Vision, we do 63, and then she did it 5 times 63, 5 times 66, and then 5 times 69.
Wow, okay.
But yeah, Renee was telling me that it really
Yeah, it
helped
really
her.
did work because I'm kind of a math person. In my job, I'm math, so I love tabular. Tell me what to do in this table right here and how many times to do it, and it just was perfect.
And you tick it off and you
And I
feel
ticked
so
it off.
accomplished.
Yes.
Right, and it's the goal-oriented thing, I think, as well.
Yes, I had a goal. Yeah.
So if you're a goal-oriented person, like Renee, and you want to feel like you've really accomplished something, you were doing 5-minute or 10-minute sessions just to tick off. She would write exactly what she's going to do, that one chunk, and you labeled it in the music, did you? And then she put it in this practice log. Maybe we'll be able to share something like this. I'll make up something and share it with you. So you can click the link down in the description box and we'll share a practice log that you can use as well. And then maybe it will work for other people. And then what they were doing is using that metronome. So you'd put it in your ear with the earphones.
Yes, so I could hear it. Because I played the song for like 2 months and never could get the rhythm. And as soon as she brought out this tabular thing and I was checking things off, it just clicked. Everything fell into place.
Right, I think also part of that we were talking earlier, when you hear the rhythm and then you're in the middle of the piece and you get off, and you don't know quite where to start, I think that also makes it...
Yeah, it's better. Like she started me at the back of the song, the very last chunk, and I just worked my way up.
So you would take that one small chunk, put the metronome on at that correct speed, and then play that small chunk 5 times over in a little loop.
Yes.
And then you'd move up that metronome to the next...
Yeah, it was up 2 or up 3. It was up 63, 66, 69.
And then you play it 5 times over in a loop, that chunk, and then you tick it off. That's your job for the day.
That's my job. Yep.
That's wonderful.
Yep. And like I'm working on 2 different songs, so I actually could do this song in the evening, this song in the morning, or whatever.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks to the 2 of you for sharing your wonderful discovery.
Of course.
So if any of you want to try using a practice log in that exact way, there's a link down in the description box. You can download it, and make sure you subscribe to this channel because we put up new videos all the time. It's free, and I'd love to have you in the next one, or watching the next one. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.